Hello, Sanmonani. Yo, I know, guys, my sinuses are really doing the most. Huh? Can't I look like this? Okay, so I'm not really feeling 100%, but I want to say hello. And I wanted to say thank you for all the love, stroke hate, for my new character, Tandy Nox on Deep City. I know I've been receiving messages that I think messages mostly from Twitter saying ukuthi umama kaNox unenhliziyo embi ton, which means I'm doing a good job. So ngiyanibingelela nje, ngifuna ukunibingelela. It's not conversations with Don Tandega King, it's just hello. And I know that you are all enjoying my exit story on Uzalo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga Thozi. I appreciate the love, and I'm going to go back to my lives wami and go back to the schedule kuma lives conversations with Don Tandega King once I'm fully settled this side in Johannesburg, because I've relocated. So bengifuna nje ukuthi no, I'm not getting arrested. I don't want to give away anything from anywhere. So just watch Uzalo until the last day. The last day is near. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Angwazi Luciwe Mdlalosa, I can't say how my story ends, but into engifuna ukuyisho nje ukuthi you guys are going to enjoy it, and you guys are going to cry like I cried when I was shooting it, because I gave real emotions, and I hope you receive those real emotions that I gave when I shot the last episode, or the last episode of Uzalo. And Jobaning Bona on 161 Good Deep City. It means I've relocated. I've started my new journey with Black Brain Productions, and I've exited Uzalo. But because in Sazobona Nina, you will see into engayishuta weeks ago with Stained Class Productions, and I am truly grateful to Stained Class Productions for the opportunity they gave me, for being with them for 7 years, and I hope you all enjoy what we have to give. This week, I think we were rocking on Uzalo. This week, I think we entered the industry running with Deep City and Black Brain. I hope that every character that I get to portray, for all the people that love what I do, I hope that you receive the honesty that I portray my characters with, because it's not easy to portray characters. I've had to leave a character that I've loved for 7 years. UMangcobo has been with me for 7 years, and I didn't know, I took for granted how much I loved her and how much I wanted to make her a better character every time, up until the last day that I had to shoot her existence on Uzalo. It was painful, but yet beautiful, because she's gangster. She is so gangster. I'm even scared of her. And the time I shot the exit story, the last scene of Uzalo, I was already shooting on Deep City as Tandy Wechele. She will be popular known as Umasheng, because I believe ukuthi a married woman fanele abizwe ngomabanibani. Ufanele umazi umuntu mayishadile ukuthi umabanibani. umthokozisi hlatshwayo uthi ungayenzi leyo nto ki but sengihambile nje mthokozisi. At least I'm being honest about it. At least you guys are not finding about it. You're not finding out about this from social media or from the media, and angikhulumi nani mina personally. I mean, I know you guys loved UMangcobo, but I've come to a point where I need to portray, my body needs to portray ngiyanithanda nami eSwatini. I love you so much. Cookie, ngiyabonga kakhulu for the love. Amahle endlaleni, please forgive Nox. Angazi inkinga ngoNox ukuthi I think Unox and her mother's story, they open up a beautiful conversation between mothers and daughters. There are a lot of broken relationships between mothers and daughters, and there are also a lot of beautiful relationships between mothers and daughters. So I think Uma Shenge no Nox have a lot to give to society in terms of opening up that conversation of mothers and daughters rebuilding their relationships. Unokanya Buthelezi, I suppose. Yes, so now I represent abakwaButhelezi because uthandiwe owakwaButhelezi ushadele kwaJele, so uMashenge. So guys, this live is dedicated to the first week of Tip City. I know you've watched it, and I know njengoba nibuka Tip City at exactly the same time nibuka Uzalo, and you're watching my exit story on Uzalo, and I know it's not easy. It's not easy for me because I know I poured my heart into my exit story in trying to exit and enter different productions. So I hope you all love what you've seen this week on Tip City. And yes, Ulungelo, how can you do this to us? We're really gonna miss you, boss lady. Lungelo, sometimes you need to give life a fresh start. And this is not saying there was something wrong where I was, but this is just saying I needed to go on another journey. And Tip City is that journey, and I hope you guys enjoy it because everyone works hard on both shows. Everyone works hard, but ukuthi angisekho on another show akusho ukuthi ningayibuki, because there are still actors that I respect and I love on Uzalo, and I will always love Uzalo. It's just that life has to move a different direction. Uti Upreshia must come back as a ghost. Hey, I don't die though, so I can't come back as a ghost. Yeah, Lani Unkoz is gonna be alone, yes, and I think he's a big guy. He can take care of himself, and I think he needs to figure himself out. Why am I leaving Uzalo Fabu? A new opportunity came, and I felt it was time for me to move and go on a different direction with a new production, new character. There's nothing to it really. There's nothing sinister about me leaving Uzalo. Ngiyiphathe kahle, ngizoziphatha kahle Lusanda. Ngiziphatha I am leaving Uzalo. Sibusiso Themba. I take him back in. I don't know, but Sibusiso, I am leaving Uzalo. Tabisa Parati, my character on Tip City, I'm very strict. Yes, you do know those mothers that are very strict. Abanga Phoenix, Abanga Tati, nonsense. So I'm one of those mothers. I hope I portray them well. Oh, Floyd, so you also know English? Yes, I do. I know English. Legend Black Mac. Ambekahle mna Makuluva will miss you. I'll miss you guys too. Zizipho hayibo intoni uzalo without uMangcobo ke uzofa unkonsi ke. I love you too so much. So I gotta go. I've gotta go so that I can be able to save this. I'm gonna have to go. But I will come back. I will have more lives. I'll have more lives and I will try to do as many lives as I possibly can once I've settled here in Joburg. So goodbye bonke abantu zonke muntu, goodbye. Have a great